Hey everyone, by date Jan 10, 2022, Handbrake's new version 1.5.1 is here, and since then it's been quite a time. But you know what, it is never too late to start using Handbrake. If you haven't updated it or you never even tried it, link will be given in description. But if you don't know what has been changed in the update, let's get into the video. If you haven't tried Handbrake and you don't know what Handbrake is, Handbrake is a free and open source software transcoder for digital video file. It competes with its paid alternative, and honestly, it gives you even better experience than any other transcoder. It gives you almost everything a professional requires, and that's not only it. Handbrake can also compress and optimize video without losing any quality. So if you are still thinking if you should download it or not, think no more, go grab it. And if you downloaded it, let's start with changes. But before updating, please make sure there are no pending encodes in queue. And also make note of any custom preset you have created, as they may not be compatible with newer version. Handbrake 1.5.1 is a rebuild of 1.5.0 with no functional change. The window UI is now .NET 6.0 only, which means there is no need to additionally install .NET 5.0. All the changes in 1.5.0 is on the screen. I'm passing it by. You can pause and read. All those are updates that are introduced in version 1.5.0 and 1.5.1. But there are so many other features like title, chapter and range selection, batch scanning, queuing of encodes, chapter markers, large range of subtitle files, constant quality of average bitrate video editing, support for VFR and CFR, video filter and live statistic and video preview 3. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video if you found it useful, share it with your friend and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.